Hello all, this is Jen Johnson again. We're ready to do our next tutorial for AEP 873 on the Google Sites. This one we're going to talk about page templates and talk about some of the different types of page templates that you can add to your Google site. So the first one I want to show you I already did. I put it up here. I made an announcements page. And then I went ahead and made a couple posts on there. Your posts will always show newest at the top. You can go in and edit your posts, but you're going add these different pages and templates the same way for each one. So what I do want to show you is I want to go over here. We're going to add a different type of page this time. I'm going to click Create Page. And we already did an announcements page. So the next thing that we're going to do is File Cabinet. So let's say we have modules or assignments, because we do have the assignment page. Let's say we have one module to complete. So module 1 is going to be the name of this. We're going to embed it under announcements. We're going to click Create. So what a file cabinet is going to do is it's going to give you access to all the resources that your students may need in order to be able to complete an activity. So in this case, we are going to add a file. So it shows you that there's a file there. Maybe we need to add a link. So let's say we go up here. And we have found a specific page that has a lot of information that works great. You're just going to go up and you're going to copy that link. And you're going to go back in here into this page. And you're going to click paste or Control V, and you're going to paste that link in there. And the text to display is going to be behavior interventions. And you can give a description. I always want to make sure you spell it correctly, but there is still spell check on here. You're going to add. So adding that link, you have behavior interventions. It gives you a little bit of a description, and then when you view, we'll go to another page where you can actually view it. So you can put any of the things that you need in there. If you have Google documents saved from your Google Drive, you can put those in there as well. So that's how you're going to do that. And then again, because this is an important module and we want people to have access to it, we don't want it to be a step page. We're just going to click Show in Sidebar. And it's going to give you a page where you can see all of those on there. The next one that we're going to go and add is we are going to go and add a list. So let's say that you have a group that you would like to do projects with, or you have several different groups that you're doing projects with. This works really great because what you can do is you can actually list the different assignments that you need from them. And you can do it by action items, issue list, unit status, or you can create your own template. But I think this is really neat because you could go in and add an item. And let's say you have different members of your group that are responsible for different things. So maybe John is responsible for creating the behavior intervention plan, and it is due the 9th. So you create that, and it shows his name, what it is, and when it's due. And maybe they're due on the same day, maybe they're due on different days. And if she already has it complete, you can put that in there. So you can add all the different things that you need to. You can add additional files that they may need to help them. And you just go back in here and mark it. And then it shows it complete. So then they can go in and have access to this and see what assignments they finished and are completed and what assignments they still need to work on. So the other thing is when you put this on here, I always want to make sure that these important pages show up over there, so I always put to show the page in the sidebar. And then the last reminder again, if you want to adjust where things are at on your sidebar, you're going to click on Edit Site Layout, click on your navigation, and then you can move the pages however you would like around. So that is my tutorial on some of the different Google Sites pages. I do want to show you one more, and the last page is a start page template. I just want to show you what that looks like. Okay, so your start page is going to be your page that's going to start up at the very top, and so maybe you want to have access to a Google Share button. Maybe there are other things that you want on there. Maybe you want your Google Calendar as a widget, and so you can put that on there. And maybe if you guys are using YouTube a lot, maybe you want to select that. So that gives you all of these different elements that are on here, and then when you click it, it actually gives you a page access to Google Docs and those other types of things. So that's also a really cool page to have on there as well.